Hello, Key Data Partners. This video will serve as a tour of the updates and enhancements that are now available in your dashboard. The first thing that you'll notice is that we've moved the date picker that was previously located in the top of your filters section, and it's now in the right corner of every report. This will make it easier to adjust dates, but also to see what dates are selected whenever you're inside a report. Next, we have a name change. This KPI was previously known as available occupancy, and because of some confusion, we've decided to change the name to adjusted paid occupancy percentage. This does better describe what the KPI is showing. So we're looking at the total amount of nights paid by the total number of nights that were available to be paid. So remember, this takes out any owner stays or maintenance blocks. Next to that, we've got adjusted RevPAR. This was previously just RevPAR. It's a change in the calculation, so we use the word adjusted because now we're using adjusted paid occupancy and in place of traditional occupancy. So most customers will see that this number has risen compared to what it was before. And finally, on your company snapshot, the next KPI, unit revenue, was recognized. Now it's nightly. And this difference really connects back to the date picker and shows a true representation of the unit revenue, which is your rent revenue for the nights that are selected in the date picker. So previously, if you recognized your revenue on arrival or departure, that was taken into consideration whenever we were making date selections. So if you had a reservation that overlapped 2 months, the revenue may not have been attributed here, and now it is. Also, take note that this adjusted RevPAR will be, and adjusted paid occupancy will be the default KPIs used in reports throughout the dashboard. Also, for a full list of all the details, you can always check our glossary in the Learning Center. We have other KPIs that have changed as well, some that are used less frequently. But for example, RevPass, revenue per available sleep, has been renamed adjusted RevPass. And again, we're using that adjusted paid occupancy percent to do that calculation. Same for revenue per available bed. We've also changed the name from unit revenue average stay to average stay value. Other revenue average stay is now average other stay value, and total revenue average stay is now known as average total stay value. And again, these are just adjustments to get us in line with best practices across the revenue management industry. The final big change that I'd like to point out really has to do with your owner reports. We've made some enhancements. Again, owner reports located in that star in the top left, your key reports. You'll notice that we now have the ability to show adjusted paid occupancy percentage. Additionally, if you're in the filters and you click on what to show, you can show graphs for average daily rate, which was not available previously. And then for a little bit of a professional touch, whenever you generate a report, you can now have your company information, logo, etc. at the top of the report. To add that, you'll go to your settings, company information. You can add in all of your contact information here, as well as insert a logo. And the last report that we've made some changes to is your booking curve. Previously, if you were looking at a date in the future, let's say Christmas perhaps, we'll do December 21st to December 28th. When you were looking at guests booked for arrivals during a time frame in the future, Our 2018 report would not show you beyond the current date. Now you can see how your reservation stacked up all the way to the date selected. This will help you get a better idea of what your booking curve may look like once you're further along in your season. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your partner advocate or support@keydatadashboard.com. We hope you really enjoy these new updates and enhancements to your dashboard, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.